Toyota 4Runner key fobs can often be programmed DIY, especially for models up to 2019. The process syncs the fob's unique ID to your vehicle's computer, allowing access. Adding a fob typically involves cycling the ignition or door locks to enter programming mode, then pressing buttons on the fob. Erasing remotes clears all programmed fobs, requiring you to reprogram the ones you want to keep. Note that models 2020 plus may require dealer programming due to increased security, or alternatively, can sometimes be done via OBD2 scanners. Always verify compatibility with your specific 4Runner model year before starting. Have a working key on hand before you begin. The core DIY process for Toyota 4Runner key fob programming applies to models from 1996 to 2019, involving sequences with the driver's door switch or ignition key. For 1996 to 2002 models, use the door lock method. From 2003 to 2013, employ ignition cycling. Timing is crucial during these sequences. For 2020 and newer models, dealer programming or OBD2 tools are recommended. Risks include locking yourself out from errors. DIY may void warranties and needs professional tools for recent models. Trends show a shift towards smartphone-based digital keys, beginning to phase out physical key fobs. For any mass programming issues, always consult a professional.